Vegan teacher, I'm sorry. Vegan teacher, I'm sorry. Vegan teacher, I'm sorry.
Leah, you really don't get it, do you? This isn't about you and me. This is about cruelty that you're contributing to. Why? You're smart enough to know what you're doing. You're not just eating an ice cream cone in a car. You are promoting the dairy industry. Your 29 million followers are watching everything that you do. They're young and impressionable. When you eat ice cream like this, they will follow. Is that really what you want, Leah? Do you really want to be responsible for encouraging people to pay this industry to steal baby boy cows from their mothers?
Vegan teacher, I'm sorry.
If it's not your mother, it's not your milk, Leah. Time to get vegan ice cream instead.
Vegan teacher, I'm sorry.
Undercover footage investigation by Mercy for Animals. Just as mother cows are beginning to bond with their babies, they are taken away, Leah. Year after year, they are forcibly impregnated, and their babies are taken away again and again and again.
Vegan teacher, I'm sorry.
This heartbreaking cycle continues, Leah, because you pay for it every time you buy ice cream. They spend hours and even days searching, crying, and calling out for their babies, just like any mother would, Leah.
Vegan teacher, I'm sorry. Vegan teacher, I'm sorry. Vegan teacher, I'm sorry.
This will be the last time they see one another. The mothers are taken away and attached to machines as if they are just objects. The babies will not be able to nurse from their own mothers, and they will be turned into veal sandwiches, all because of people like you, Leah. Is that what you want your legacy to be? Because I'll make sure of it. That's how you'll be remembered. You think you're just having fun here on YouTube? You are so rich. You don't need one more penny of money. For the rest of your life, you can try to make this world a better place instead of hell for these poor animals. I am encouraging you once again to become vegan. Every single time from now on that you are in front of any kind of a food, I want you to ask yourself, is it vegan and should I be promoting it? That's your responsibility. Do it. Be vegan from now on.
Vegan teacher, I'm sorry. Vegan teacher, I'm sorry. Vegan teacher, I'm sorry.
Say it with me now. I'm done with dairy. It's history. Subscribe and press the notification bell. Help me get animals out of hell.